Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best boat winch strap that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the Botepon Marine Boat Trailer Winch Strap. If undeniable and tested durability is what you seek from a boat winch strap, you'll be satisfied with the Botepon Marine Boat Trailer Winch Strap. It is so tough that the manufacturers are confident enough to give you 2 years of warranty upon purchase. What sets the Botepon Marine winch strap from other winch straps is its amazing tensile strength. It can withstand up to 4,500 pounds before showing signs of breakage, and it has a working capacity of 2,600 pounds. It is an ideal replacement for either manual or electric winch straps. Up next is the Fulton WS020HD0600 Boat Trailer Winch Strap. Not everyone can afford to spend buckets of cash on boat winch straps. Some need low-cost options that can still provide considerably great value. The Fulton WS020HD0600 boat winch strap is as good as a deal as any other boater who is on a tight budget can get. Without lavishly throwing away the green, you can still get a satisfactory product out of this winch strap. The strap is definitely heavier than most boats' winch straps, which improves its toughness and integrity. It actually feels like it is meant for bigger sized boats. It is 20 feet long and 2 inches wide. Last up is the Roxel LT2000 electric winch. This boat winch strap comes with a handy hook and minimum price. As far as boat winch straps go, this model is as simple to use as can be. It works great for its price point. It is definitely a worthy purchase. The strap features a loop on the inside. The loop makes it easy to attach it onto your boat winch. The handy hook is solidly plated. It is tough, strong and safe. It is equipped with a spring-loaded safety flap. The Shoreline marine boat winch strap combines affordability and handiness very well. Seasoned boaters will appreciate its high value and low cost. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.